This is your Korean friend, Wonnie. Today, I will talk about how to achieve a driver's license in Korea. If you are considering driving in Korea, you need to have a driver's license. And to get this, you have three options. First, use your international driver's license as it is. Second, you can convert your international driver's license into a Korean one and use it. Third, getting a new Korean driver's license. First, use your international driver's license as it is. In this case, you must stay for less than 90 days and hold an international driving permit. However, IDPs issued in countries that have joined the Geneva Convention or the Vienna Convention can be used in Korea as they are. If your IDP is available in Korea, prepare the following documents and submit them to the driver's license examination offices. You can find each region's examination office's locations at www.safedriving.or.kr. Prepare the original driver's license issued in your country. Apostille or embassy confirmation on your driver's license. International driving permit and passport, including visa. Second, if the stay in Korea exceeds 90 days, the international driving permit should be converted to a Korean license. In Korea, driver's licenses issued in some countries can be exchanged without a written test. However, the others might require a written test, so please check the list of countries carefully before proceeding. To convert the license, you need the following documents. Prepare original driver's license issued in your home country. Apostille or embassy confirmation on your driver's license. International driving permit. Passport. An alien registration card. 3 pictures taken within the last 6 months. Certificate of entry and exit. Prepare these documents, visit the driver's license examination office, submit them, and conduct a physical examination. You can apply for a written test if you need to take it. Third, it is a way to take a driver's license test and get a Korean driver's license. You take the written test first, the driving course test, and the on-road driving test. The written test is offered in Korean, English, Chinese, Vietnamese, and other language versions. And if you get more than 60 points out of a total of 40 questions, you will pass. If you pass the written test, you will take the driving course test at the test site. In the driving course test, basic car operating skills, shifting gears, parking, and intersection driving are tested. I will take a detailed explanation video about taking the driving test. After passing the driving course test, you will take the on-road driving test. The test course is randomly assigned out of the 4 courses. A road test will be conducted and a license will be issued when you pass. Before starting driving, car insurance is a must. Thank you for watching, and please press like and subscribe button for more information.